cheeks, and welcome to today's Cat Kit by Pusheen Box unboxing. It is super heckin' cute. It's a lot smaller than we've been getting lately, but it's so adorable. We've got a little Pusheen on the front, and our pop-outs this month are trees. We've got 5 to pop out, and the box is in really rather good shape this time around. It was wrapped in plastic this time rather than being shipped directly as is. And honestly, I haven't got a bunch of spoilers for it this time around, so I have no idea what to expect. Well, let's get started. We have a gingerbread plush. He's so cute. He's got a crinkle belly and face, but not on the other side. Not catnip scented. Super fun. We got a little wreath plush toy with crinkle on both sides. Look how cute she is. She's so adorable. We have a new stick toy. Oh, fun, fun, fun. And it has like a holiday themed ribbon. These teasers are so cute. And there's a bell at the end of the ribbon. It isn't a super long one, but it's got a good length to it. That's going to be so fun. Oh, the cat hears it in the background. And oh, that's so heavy. A 3-pack magnetic picture frame. Oh my word. Let's see what's inside. Goodness, you guys are gonna love these. They are such high quality. They're actually the 2-piece ones, so it's not just gonna be one frame that's gonna end up ripping and tearing. It magnets right down, so you can stick all of your best pet or, you know, human, whatever, photos in. We have this cute blue. We have this minty green blushy cheeks. And we have an adorable pink sleepyhead. So really sweet pastel kind of aesthetic going here. I'm loving it. Ooh. Oh, a holiday hidey pouch. These are so fun. If you have a kitty that loves bags, hidey pouches, the way to go. You will think that they are hiding them own little presents for the holidays. So cute. So this one is fully Sherpa lined. It's not just the start of it. And well, faux Sherpa. It has like a wire opening. So for our scaredy kitties that need a little bit more coaxing to try it out, you kind of set it to there. And the holiday print is so cute. It might not cover the whole body of, you know, our big Bahonkets cats, but it is perfect for our mediums and smalls. I think kittens are going to look so cute. And it's a much safer choice than allowing them to play in bags. All right, last but not least, we got a puzzle mat. Oh my goodness. 9-pocket quilted puzzle mat. These are so good for helping keep your kitties busy. They are an amazing way to feed them and keep their brains active by popping in their food, their treats, a little bit of nip. So each one of these opens a different direction, and the back of the mat itself is non-slip. It's blanket edged. So it's a nice little size too. And it's so cute. Oh my gosh, eating the box. That's so heckin' cute. So I was a little bit torn of whether we're going to pop these right in their stocking or put them back in the box for them to dig out. But I think we're going to go stocking for most of these. And maybe this is how we keep them distracted while their human siblings open presents. But that is all I have for y'all. All together, this is a really lovely group. So we put our toys in here. Our presents. Wow. Yeah. There's a lot going on for them. I'm really happy, and I hope y'all have a wonderful, very happy holiday. Bye.